Hi, sir. Ah! But in all seriousness, all I'm just trying to do is be a good Samaritan. And you sound like, sound like clothes. Okay. Oh. What the? Did I just get kidnapped? Let me the hell out. I'm gonna be mad.
If you don't open this door on a count of 3, I will be mad. 1, 2, 3.
No!
Damn it.
Are you a girl? What is wrong with your body?
What the
The
hell?
hell? I am not gonna let that happen. I'm not gonna be kidnapped by a girl. That's too far. Are you Jeffrey Dahmer or something? Well, actually, Jeffrey Dahmer killed those people. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get up. I'm not gonna move. Not gonna move, okay? There's no reason to stab me with a chainsaw. Okay? Man. Gotta get out. See if I... Stop dancing on my body. What the hell? Well, now what? That's funny. That's what it is. So I got a question. Why do you want to kidnap me anyway? What's so interesting about me? Oh, there goes my leg. How could you? I just... Anyways, like I said, I'm not being kidnapped. Rock out. Stop! Oopsie. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, I'll stay quiet now.
What kind of BDSM type stuff is going on? What type of S&M stuff is going on?
Help
in
me!
here?
She's
What
kidnapping,
the
or they're kidnapping me!
Oh
Help
my
me!
God.
I can't get out! I can't. Hello? Hello? Okay, well, he's gone. Ow. Ah! Come on! Come on! Ah! Ah! No! No! Ah, damn it. Alright then. At least answer me this one question. Are you a boy or a girl? Because you seem to have a torso of a girl, yet... Oh, damn it. It's even worse than I thought. Alright then. I feel lonely and sad, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start playing some music. Let's see. What do we have here? Kind of music. Yeah.
What the hell?
Come on. Ah. Run! Run! No! Fast! How? How are you so damn fast? Oh no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, no, no. I'm sorry. Please, 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 please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, it won't happen again. I promise. I promise. I promise. Please, please, no. Please, no. Please, no. Please, no. Please, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Please don't break my bones. Please, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ow. Damn it. Oh, damn it. Stay here. Please don't. Please don't. Help! Help me, guy! Help! Help! Help!
Where are you?
Help me!
Are you
I'm in the
inside?
tower! Help me! Help me! Help
you?
me! Help
You are
me!
coming for you.
Yes! Get me out! No! No! No, don't kill him! Don't kill him! Don't kill any of us! No!
Oh my god.
No! Please!
That almost. Hey, where are you taking him? No. Where are you taking me?
You know, every time you do that, it leaves big open gashed wounds. By now, it would have turned into mincemeat.
That chainsaw is gonna do some permanent damage, man.
Inside of it, I need help. No!
The first floor.
What the? What the? Oh! Shoot her! Shoot her! Damn it! Get her, please! Shoot her! Shoot her! I'm being kidnapped! I'm saved! I'm saved! Yes! Oh, I'm not saved, aren't I? Well, please don't kill him. Gotta get down the stairs. I've seen hell. I've seen hell and all through it.
I'm not saving him, I'm just bringing him to the other guy.
No, no, no.
He's out front, he's out front of...
Oh, come quicker. Yes! Yes! Oh no. Kill me and I shall give you. Man, then I'll find you.
Oh yeah, I forgot, you could buy me.
Yeah, but I unlocked it early. Did you already forget? No, I heard you were really dead. You gave me the Same, I also own it. I got 1 million. I got over 1 million, man. I'll also buy BFG. Yeah, how do you think they can hear us?
Oh cool.
Wait, bro, you're punching me!
Wait, what did you say? Ah, what the fuck, man?
Shut up, you're gonna... Oh my god. Well, you are also...
Let's go you first.
Don't. Worry about it.
You put
Since when did you get MP7? You are not that...
Hey yo, why are you shooting me, man?
Whoa, Deacon, where did you get that MP7? Yeah, no.
Hey, shut up!
Oh, why do you think we have 4 people? Why do you think we have 4 people? Have you not put it together yet?
Oh, I'm level 2. I'm just a level 2, so shut up.
It's literally just a level 2, a level 7. Yeah. my, how did I miss? Oh my
Oh my god!